Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add services in Google My Business listing. As you can see, I am onto Google. I simply search for my business name. You can also search for my business keyword on Google using the same Gmail account from which you have created your Google My Business listing, right? And now you need to click on simply the edit services, and here you can mention the services that you want to add. You just simply need to click on add more services, and here you can add custom service. You can add the service name, whatever the service you are providing. For example, I am just providing custom mug printing services. I will add that and will click on save. Okay, so here we will again add the service description. So I will again click on this custom mug printing services that have been added, but right now it doesn't have service description. So we need to add service description including those keywords that our audience searches for to connect with our business, so that my business listing appears in the top of the search results, right? So make sure to add those keywords that your audience searches for to take your services, right? So that your business automatically appear in the top of the search results, right? So you can simply enter that particular service description. You can create a good description using chat gpt, or you can write it manually. I would recommend you to write it manually so the readability is good, right? And after adding the description, you can click on simply save, and your service have been added to your Google My Business listing. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.